Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best HVAC Torch Kit is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for HVAC professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, enabling precise and efficient soldering, brazing, and heating applications in various HVAC system repairs and installations, ensuring clean, strong, and reliable connections every time, ultimately saving you time and effort while delivering superior results. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing the right kit for your specific needs and budget. Number 5. BLUEFIRE Metal Welding Torch. It features a solid metal handle for comfortable and safe use. This professional-grade tool is built to last with premium materials and rigorous quality control. It comes with 3 interchangeable burner tubes, swirl flame, shrink heat flame, and pencil fine flame. This makes it incredibly versatile for various applications. The auto-ignition system makes lighting it quick and easy. The integrated flame control lets you adjust the flame size precisely. It produces a powerful, concentrated flame reaching 2,444 degrees Fahrenheit. This is achieved with a patent-pending burner design for maximum fuel efficiency. It's compatible with MAP, MAP Pro, and propane fuels. The threading is standard, fitting most 1-pound disposable bottles. What we like. It has 3 different tubes for various applications. The one-click ignition is super convenient. It works with different fuel types, saving you money. If you need a versatile tool for multiple tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. I make hardwood epoxy shelving. It works perfectly to draw the air bubbles out. Adjust from a very low flame to hotter than any handheld I have ever used. This torch head is exactly what I needed. The heat is intense. The flame is wide. It is easy to use. Although more bulky than anticipated, it functions as specified. Can use the torch at any angle without loss of flame. The push button on-off with constant gas supply is the feature that stands out. Sturdy construction for the job site. Number 4. Forney 1753 Tote-A-Torch Kit. This portable kit is perfect for various cutting and welding tasks. It's designed for convenience and ease of use, whether you're on a job site or working at home. It has the capacity to cut up to 5 mm and weld up to 1.98 mm materials. Everything you need is included for immediate use. It's great for general maintenance, light-duty fusion welding, braze welding, hand cutting, and HVAC work. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for any professional or DIY enthusiast. This kit is designed for use in various locations, from the job site to your home workshop. The sturdy red carry tote ensures safe and easy transport. It comes with everything you need: regulators, torch handle, cutting and welding attachments, hoses, safety goggles, a spark lighter, and even the cylinders. It's truly all-inclusive. It's compatible with Victor 150 series equipment, offering a seamless integration with existing tools and accessories you may already own. What we like. This kit is easy to carry around. It's great for smaller jobs. It uses standard Victor parts, making replacements easy. If portability and compatibility are your priorities, this is a great option. What people say. Had everything that I wanted. Packed professional and delivered on time. Both tanks arrive empty, according to regulations. This should be noted. But everything works very well. Number 3. Goss KA-125 M12P Welding Kit. This professional-grade kit is perfect for heating, cooling, and refrigeration applications. It's trusted by repair shops and industry contractors alike. It features a rear valve torch with a hose fittings for ease of use. The precise needle valve ensures superior control over the flame. The kit includes high-quality brass regulators for consistent gas flow. These regulators are designed for professional use and long-lasting performance. This kit comes with 2 interchangeable tips, a 3033-1 and a 3033-3. These tips allow you to weld and braze a wide range of materials and sizes. The 3033-1 tip welds up to 332-inch and brazes up to 1 to 1/4 inch. The 3033-3 tip welds up to 3/16" and brazes up to 1 to 1/2". Both are interchangeable with turbo torch style tips. It's built to withstand the demands of professional use. This kit provides the precision and reliability you need for any job. What we like. This is a professional-grade kit built for precision. The regulators ensure consistent gas flow. It's perfect for HVAC professionals who need reliable performance. If you value precision and durability, this is the best choice. What people say. Very nice kit, regs are quality, works great. Number 2. Victor G150JP Welding Outfit. This portable kit is designed for light-duty gas welding. It's perfect for those who need a convenient and easy-to-transport solution. It features a molded plastic case with an ergonomic handle and balanced design, making it easy to carry and transport to any job site. The built-in storage compartments keep your consumables and accessories readily available. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. It cuts up to 1/2" and welds up to 1/14" with optional nozzles. It's suitable for a variety of applications. This complete kit includes everything you need for oxyacetylene welding, including a torch handle, striker, hoses, goggles, and tank key. Get started right away. This kit is ready to use. It includes gas regulators, a torch handle, hoses, and safety equipment. Just add your gas tanks and you're ready to weld. What we like. The handy tote makes it easy to transport. Consumables are easily accessible. It can handle larger cutting tasks. If you need a portable solution with easy access to supplies, this is a great option. What people say. The torch kit has been good, although I have nothing to compare it to. What really impressed me was the company, Affinity Supply, I purchased the kit through. I had an unusual issue with one of components in the kit. I was floored when John from Affinity Supply called me 12 minutes later. He contacted Victor and the determination was made to replace the component and I was assured they could get it to me the next day. Works great, showed up undamaged and on time. Nice carrying case as well. As a HVAC technician, used for brazing. Good brand. Number 1. Uniweld KC100P Centurion Outfit. Introducing the Uniweld KC100P Centurion Outfit, your professional-grade solution for oxyacetylene welding and brazing. It's portable and perfect for on-site work. This outfit is designed for contractors who need a portable and versatile solution. It's ready to tackle various jobs, from brazing copper tubing to welding steel. It comes with 2 tips, allowing you to braze copper tubing up to 1" and weld steel up to 1/8". This gives you the flexibility you need for different tasks. The single-stage Centurion series regulators ensure precise gas control. Plus, the protective rubber gauge boots add durability and longevity. The front valve welding handle with stainless steel ball-point valves provides accurate gas control for superior welds. You'll get consistent results every time. Your safety is important. That's why it includes welding goggles with flip-up lenses, designed to fit over prescription eyewear. Work safely and comfortably. The included 511 plastic carrying stand makes transport and storage easy. Keep your equipment organized and protected. What we like. This is a heavy-duty kit for professionals. The valves provide precise flame control. It comes with multiple tips for different tasks. If you're a contractor who needs a reliable and precise tool, this is the one for you. What people say. Very well made and works perfect for my field of work. Gauges are really sturdy and carrier is okay, gets the job done for HVAC work. Everything in the package came as promised and is great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.